Welcome to the another video of linear equations in one variable. In previous video, we studied how to solve real life problems using linear equations. Okay, that is applications of linear equations in one variable. Okay, now we will start today exercise 2.2. Let's read question number 1. Let's read the question. So question number 1. So what is in question? Let's read. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, then you get 1 by 8. So what is the number? So first, let's assume number because we want to get value of that number. Okay, so let's assume first step is assume the number. Let assume the number is equal to x. Now after that, what we will do, let's read again the question. If you subtract 1 by 2, okay, so let's write by subtracting 1 by 2, what we have? We have x minus 1 by 2. Now after that, from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Okay, which result? This. Okay, subtracting 1 by 2, this is the result. Okay, so multiply the result by 1 by 2, we get 1 by 8. Okay, if we multiply 1 by 2 with this x minus 1 by 2, then we get 1 by 8. So 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Now we will use here distributivity property. Okay, is that we can multiply this 1 by 2 to both of this term x and minus 1 by 2. So let's multiply 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Now x into x, 2 into 1, 2. 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Now transpose this term to right side. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. So make denominator equal. For that we multiply by 2 at numerator and at denominator. So this is 1 by 8 plus 2 into 2, 2, 4 into 2, 8. Now this can be, now our denominator are same. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 8. Okay. So x by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, we want to coefficient of x is 1 because we want to get value of x. So transpose this 2. So here 2 is at denominator. So after transposing this 2 will come at numerator. So x is equal to 3 into 2 by 8. Now you can factorize this 8 into cofactors. 2 into 4, now this 2 cancel and our x is equal to 3 by 4 and it is our number what we have assumed. Okay, and you can cross check your answer 3 by 4. If you subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4 then and you multiply that subtraction by 1 by 2, then definitely you will get 1 by 8. Let's see question number 2. Okay, so question number 2. So what is question number 2 is, the parameter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Okay, parameter of rectangular means summation of lengths of all the sides of rectangular. Okay, if you have one rectangular, then this summation of this length, and this length is 154. Now its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. okay, breadth. Okay, let's assume that its length is L and its breadth is B. Okay, what are the length and breadth of the pool? This is rectangular swimming pool. Okay, and the parameter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154. So let's write, let length of our swimming pool is rectangular. So our length of rectangular pool is equal to L. Okay, and this parameter is given in the unit meter, so we write L meter. And breadth of rectangular pool is equal to B meter. Now what you have given, that the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154. So we have perimeter of rectangular pool is equal to 154 meter. Okay, and we know length and breadth, so we can apply formula of perimeter. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangular? So perimeter is simply summation of all the lengths. Okay, this is L length, B, now again it is L, now again it is B. So summation of all the lengths of all side, lengths of all the side. So this is L plus B plus L plus B is equal to 154. Okay, and one another thing is given, that its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Okay, its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Okay, so what is big? Length is bigger, length is greater than breadth. Okay, so this L is equal to, this length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So first twice its breadth plus add 2 meter more. So now this L is become 2b plus 2. Okay, now for the so we put this expression in this L plus B plus L plus B. Okay, so we put in here, so L, instead of L we write 2b plus 2. Okay, can you understand it? What does it say? It says that its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. First you have to twice its breadth, and it is 2 meter more plus 2. Okay, now B is B, now L is again 2b plus 2, B 154. Now remove this bracket, 2b plus 2 plus B, 2b plus 2 plus B, 154. Now you can add those terms which have same variable. There are 6 terms, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can add those terms which have same variable. See, this 4 you can add. So add them. You have to add their coefficient. Okay, so 2 plus 1, here coefficient of this B is 1. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, and 5 plus 1 6. So 6b. Now you can add constant terms. You can't add this 2b and plus. Okay, you add only terms which have same variable, same type. 2 plus 2, it is 4. So this is 4, 154. Now you have equation in one variable, linear equation in one variable. So let's transpose this constant term, 154 minus 4. Now 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. Now transpose this 6. Here 6 is in numerator with multiplication to b. Now after transposing, this will come at denominator 6. Okay. If you divide 150 by 6, then you have cofactors, and in cofactors of 150 there will be 6, and you can cancel out this 6 and 6. So let's divide 150 by 6. So 6 into divide 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30. So this is 6 into 25 and you will get 150 again. Now you can cancel out this 6. So your answer, it means 25. It means what is B? B is, yes, breadth. Okay. So breadth of rectangular is 25. And now you have to find length of rectangular pool. So from this we know what is length. Length is L is equal to 2b plus 2. Put value of b, which you have got 25. So 25 plus 2. 2 into 25, 50. 50 plus 2, 52. And this is the answer. Okay. So finally you have got answer. Okay. That you have you are asked that find length and breadth of rectangular pool. So our answer is length is 50. Okay, and one important thing, you have to write unit also. Okay, so length is 52 meter and breadth is 25 meter. In next video we will continue with question number 3. So let's do stay tuned for chapter number 2.